Verifying the installation. Check that the UPS is securely installed and will not tilt from vibration. Check that the UPS and its adjacent cabinets are neatly arranged and secured with connecting kits. Check cables. Use an installation meter to check cables. Check battery modules. Check the operating environment and ensure that there is no foreign matter on the switches, switch terminal groove, copper bars above the switches, the copper bar terminals, and the bottom plate of each cabinet. After verifying the installation, reinstall all covers.